In this video, I will be showing you how to create account on ChatGPT app on mobile. Let's get started. First, I open up the Google Chrome app to access the web. In the browser, I have chatgpt.com loaded up, ready to begin the sign-up process. I clear out the previous URL search bar data just to make sure I'm starting completely fresh on the main page. Now, I tap on the login button in the top right corner of the screen. This brings up the login or sign up option window. I see a few choices here. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the top option and tap on Continue with Google. The screen processes for a brief moment, and then a Choose an Account menu pops up from accounts.google.com. It displays several of my logged-in email addresses. I scroll through the list to find the specific email address I want to register with, and I select it by tapping on it. I review the terms and then tap on the blue Continue button at the bottom right. The app takes a second to load, and just like that, I am successfully signed in to my brand new ChatGPT account interface. To explore my new account profile further, I tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, which opens up the main sidebar navigation panel. At the bottom of this panel, I see my user account name, which I tap on to reveal more account options. From this sub-menu, I go ahead and tap on Settings. This opens up the General Settings window. Here, I can customize things like the appearance, contrast, accent color, and language settings, or even enable dictation features. I decided to change my appearance preference from the default system setting over to dark mode, which immediately alters the layout interface to a sleek dark look. I then tap on the Personalization tab at the top to see additional options. Under this area, I can customize how ChatGPT responds to me. Once I am done looking over the settings, I tap on the X button in the top right corner to close the window and get back to the chat. I tap on the Ask Anything text bar at the bottom to bring up my keyboard, and I begin typing in my very first query. I type out, "Summarize the benefits of working from home in 5 bullet points," and then I press the arrow up button to submit it. The AI works its magic and instantly generates a clear response detailing 5 distinct benefits, including saving time and money, greater flexibility, a more comfortable environment, increased productivity, and a better work-life balance. Now, let's explore some more navigation features. I opened up the left-hand sidebar menu once again. I scroll through the list of recent chats to find a previous conversation thread titled, Sample Prompts for ChatGPT. I tap on the 3 dots icon next to it. I tap on Rename, clear out the text box, type in, Draft, and save the new name. I return to the sidebar and find another chat thread in the Recents list. I tap the 3 dots icon next to this one and select the Archive option. A notification confirms that I can view archived chats later in my settings panel. Let's head back to the settings to see how to find that archive. I tap on my account name at the bottom of the sidebar and select Settings. I slide the top tabs over to find Data Controls and tap on it. Here, I see preferences for location, shared links, and right below that, archived chats. I tap on the Manage button next to archived chats, and it loads a list showing the thread I archived earlier. I close that out to return to the main settings page. Finally, to complete our tour of account management, I will show you how to securely sign out. I close the settings page and open the sidebar menu one last time. I tap on my profile name at the bottom, and from the menu that appears, I select Log Out. A confirmation prompt asks if I am sure I want to log out of ChatGPT, and I select the Log Out option. The application signs me completely out of all active accounts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.